Niger, about 120 million years ago. This floodplain, characterized by an abundance of swamps and marshes, experienced high temperatures during the summer months. The risk of heat would pose a significant threat of wildfires, however the swampy marshland would reduce the spread of wildfire spread. Sarcosuchus, a carnivorous crocodylomorph. Unlike the lateral movement seen in the eyes of a fish or bird, the eyes of Sarcosuchus exhibited vertical movement. This suggests that the Sarcosuchus primarily resided partially submerged in freshwater rivers, akin to contemporary crocodiles, where it would survey the riverbanks for potential threats and occasionally emerge to seize unwary dinosaurs, pulling them into the water. The rounded indentation, referred to as the bulla, located at the tip of Sarcosuchus's elongated and slender snout remains an enigma. This feature may have served as a sexually selected trait, whereby males possessing larger bullas were deemed more appealing to females during the breeding season, thereby facilitating the continuation of this characteristic. Alternatively, it could have functioned as an advanced olfactory organ, or a blunt instrument used in combat among members of the same species, or even as a resonating chamber that enabled Sarcosuchus individuals to communicate across considerable distances. The name of the Sarcosuchus is derived from the Greek words sarx, which translates to flesh, and suchus, which means crocodile. The largest specimen of Sarcosuchus can attain a length of approximately 29 to 31 feet and can weigh between 3.4 and 4.3 metric tons. Sarcosuchus fossils have been found in Niger in the Tena Desert and Reconcavo Basin in Brazil. Although often referred to as the super croc, Sarcosuchus was not a genuine crocodile. It was part of a closely related group of reptiles known as Phyllidiosaurs. While they exhibited slight variations in the arrangement of their skull bones, they were otherwise quite similar to contemporary crocodiles. Sarcosuchus occupied the role of an apex predator within its freshwater environment. Given its considerable size, there were no other animals in the vicinity during that period capable of preying on this dinosaur. Nevertheless, other apex carnivorous species, such as Spinosaurus, challenged that fact. This Sarcosuchus seems to have spotted some easy prey on the river bank. Nigersaurus, herbivorous sauropod. The upper jaws featured 60 rows of slender, needle-like teeth. Additionally, the lower jaws housed at least 68 exceptionally sharp teeth. When combined, the total number of teeth in both the upper and lower jaws exceeded 500 individual teeth. Nigersaurus measured slightly more than 29 feet in length. According to the most generous estimates, its weight was approximately 4.4 tons. Thus, this dinosaur was comparable in size to a contemporary African elephant. Nigersaurus fossils have been found in Niger in the Tena Desert. Sauropods are renowned for their elongated necks, with certain remarkable species, such as Mamenchisaurus, possessing necks that exceed 50 feet in length from the head to the shoulders. In contrast, Nigersaurus and its nearest relatives, which belong to a subgroup characterized by comparatively shorter necks, measured approximately 6 feet in length, a significant difference when compared to other sauropods. Specialists have observed that Nigersaurus had elevated eyes positioned above its muzzle, providing nearly 360-degree vision, akin to modern cattle. This adaptation was crucial for its survival as a prey species, enhancing its ability to detect motion and potential threats. An elderly Nigersaurus appears to be afflicted by an unidentified terminal illness, which seems to have affected its legs, resulting in weakness and difficulty in standing up properly for long periods of time. Consequently, this has led to a decrease in the group's mobility. This aged Nigersaurus appears to have unfortunately died at the riverbank, providing the Sarcosuchus with a convenient meal. Now the Sarcosuchus will not have to hunt for many months, as it had found a meal that will sustain it for a long time.